After first receiving my product from Silk Mason, I opened up the very small package, which fit right in my mailbox, which was great, so it wouldn't get stolen off my porch or anything like that. Inside was a sheer, kind of high quality little Ziploc bag. It didn't really say anything on it. I couldn't really tell what it was until I pulled it out. Once I pulled out the red little tank top that I ordered, I instantly felt how soft and silky the fabric was. It does easily get wrinkled, which makes sense for silk, but it did look like a really nice length, and the bottom looked very flattering and flowy. I was kind of worried about how thin the straps were with the stitching and whether or not the straps might break. On the back, there was a tiny little Silk Mason tag, and overall the color and the shine on the product was really awesome. So I'll have to try it on and see how the straps hold up.